everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. Today I'm in a different room because I just thought it was a lot lighter in here and it may just look better. I don't know, I mean it's not cute or anything in here, but it's just lighter, so I thought that might be better for today. I don't always say this at the beginning, but make sure to subscribe if you enjoy my content. Unless something comes up, I usually try to post a video every single week, so you get to look forward to something every week, you know? And I want to say thank you so much for 300 subscribers. It's just so wild, like 300. And it's so funny because it's like a small number, but it's also such a big number, you know? Anyways, just thank you so much for all of the support. I appreciate it so much. Anyways, I am so excited to film today's video. I mean, I feel like I always am, but today especially because I get to try out some makeup. So over the Labor Day weekend, which by the time I get this video up, it will have probably been a long while ago, but it's fine, whatever. Anyways, Kylie Cosmetics was having a sale. Buy one, get one free. Lip kits. I've never actually ordered off of her website, but I have got 2 of her lip kits from Ulta and I really like them. They smell really good. Like, it's weird, they just smell so good. And the lip liners are probably my favorite part because they just glide on your lips. So I do have 2 lip kits already, but I've never actually ordered off of her site before, so that was really cool, getting the packaging and everything. So of course I was lured in by this sale on her website because her lip kits are pretty expensive, and thinking that I could get 2 for the price of 1, that's a good deal. So I ended up getting 4 lip kits to begin with, 2 of which were free. And then I was kind of frustrated because one of the shades that I really wanted was a part of her birthday collection and it wasn't a part of the sale, so of course, I went back after the sale and bought it. But, you know, I also got a blush because I wanted free shipping. Like, that makes sense, right? Buy more to save money, but you're just buying more. Yeah, it doesn't really make sense. But I also just wanted a new blush, so it's fine. It's justified, right? So in total, I'm going to be trying 5 lip kits today and a blush. One of the lip kits are from her new birthday collection, kind of new. I mean, that's her newest collection that I think was out. I think it was her birthday. Oh my gosh, what if I'm saying that wrong now? Whatever, you'll see what it looks like. And one more thing before I go on, all of these except one are the Velvet liquid lipsticks because the 2 Kylie lip kits that I have are just the regular matte and they do get flaky. They don't feel like super drying on your lips, but I mean, eventually they do get kind of flaky and uncomfortable. So I was just wondering if the Velvet might be a little better. So that's kind of what I went for this time. Let's get into this video and try some Kylie lip kits out from this sale. Before we start, I forgot to say the curls are back. I was actually loving the curls that came out of that curling iron from my last video. Go check it out if you haven't. But I was a little unsure, and then after a while, after I kind of got used to them, I love them. They are so fun. First, the packaging. So like I said, I've never actually bought from Kylie's website before, and they come in cute little pink boxes. I already knew that, but it was still fun to get it. But this is what the packaging looks like, and I will show you something else cool. In my first package, I got a little card, of course, Kylie looking stunning. And there's a little note on the back that looks like it's handwritten. Obviously, it was like handwritten and then copied on all of these cards, but it says 22 years young. Thank you for helping me do amazing things for amazing people this year. I can't wait to make my birthday wish come true. Tag at Kylie Cosmetics and show me your looks. XOXO, Kylie Jenner. And then in the next box I got that was not with the sale, it says, good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO, Kylie Jenner. So let me show you what colors I got. Like I said, I got a lot. In the first order, the buy one get one free, I got these 4. So the first one is Charm, and it's kind of like a nudish pink color. color. Maybe a little brown tinted. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes. There is Mind Your Business, which is a little more purpley than Red Velvet. It's red. And this last one in my first order, Midnight Kiss. This one's gonna be interesting. This one's a metal liquid lipstick. All the other ones are velvet, and this one's kind of like shimmery. I just thought it might be cool, this color for fall. And then because I just couldn't resist, I got this from the next order. It is the Kylie color, or the Kylie shade. It's like her go-to color. That's kind of how it's described. And since I've seen the color on her, I really wanted to try it. I'm not sure it will be my perfect nude because she's definitely more like tan than I am, but I think it will be a pretty color. Like I said, I think this is like part of her birthday collection. I really should double check this. Let me double check. Okay, it is her birthday collection. I am not crazy. Birthday collection. And then, like I said, to get free shipping, I got a blush, and I wanted a new blush anyways. I've been looking for one, so this gave me an excuse to get one, and it is in the shade Kitten Baby. Looks kind of like an orangey color. It's more orange than this is showing, but I think I'll like it. I don't know, we'll have to see. I think I'm gonna put on the blush first too. And I didn't bring a brush in here to apply my blush. Okay, I'm smart. Got my brush. Now let's try on this blush. First of all, this packaging is so cute. I love how simple it is. It's just like sleek, you know? Ooh, it's very orangey. I was not expecting this orange. Maybe I should tell you guys how much I got this stuff for. Besides, obviously, I got 2 free lip kits. This order definitely wasn't like a deal. Oh gosh, this was $18. Normally I would never get like an $18 blush, but I did. It happened. I think this is a really pretty color, and actually there's a mirror up here. That's cool. Okay, ooh. I'm so excited about the mirror. I've never tried a blush like this orange color before. Oh, sorry. That was in the way. You guys aren't gonna be able to see if I, you know, block the camera. It is very orange, but as you can tell, I really like the orange colors. So, oh, my hair's like in the way. Whoa, that was way too much. Okay. Oh, that's cute. So I'm definitely gonna be hesitant no matter what because I only own 2 different kinds of blushes, and well, that I use. I guess I do have, I think, a few more, but they're real old. I probably shouldn't even use them. But anyways, I only use like 2 different kinds of blushes, so I am not used to any different colors. Like I've never had a blush that was this orange colored, but you know, I think I do like it. I like to put blush on my cheeks, on my forehead, on my nose, and then a little bit down here. I like it. It's not too like in your face. It's just the right amount of kind of orange mixed with, you know, a little bit of a pink tone in there. I looked a little pale before, now I kind of have some color, so you can probably see the difference. Okay, I'm just gonna keep like admiring it and like putting more on, so I should probably stop. I like this. Is it worth $18? Probably not. You could probably find another blush that is cheaper, but I mean, I'm really not gonna go into that, the price, because we all know you are paying mostly for the name, for her name. I do like this, and I'm glad I have it now because it was a good choice. Step out of my comfort zone a little bit. Try an orange colored blush. Now onto the lips. I think I'm going to be saving Kylie for last because I'm like trying to see, oh, is the color gonna match? It's not this color, Kendra. I'm gonna try to wear one of these today. Okay, what do I wanna try first? I'm so excited, this is crazy. We'll do Mind Your Business. So this is kind of like a purpley color. It always looks different in the tube and on the outside of the package. Can you see, this looks just a little more pink. I don't know if it comes out to be this, but if you see, it does look different. Zoomed you in a little bit here. Mind Your Business, and this again is a velvet. Ooh, the lip liner looks purple though. I can't believe I have to do this 5 times. Like I said, I love the consistency of her liners. They're just so smooth. Okay, this is interesting because it definitely doesn't look like the box. This looks a lot pinker. Let's put on the liquid. Oh, it didn't make a pop sound. That was disappointing. Yeah, these These smell so good. They smell like Smackers chapstick. Is that what they were called? Smackers? And they had all the like fruity flavors and stuff. It smells like one of those chapsticks. You know what I'm talking about. It's less purple than I thought it would be, but honestly, I'm okay with that. I like this color. It went on nice. I already know the consistency of this stuff is great. I'm not gonna be wearing these throughout the day and like telling you how they are, but I'm wondering if the velvet kind of holds up better than the total like matte does. I feel like it would be a lot more like relaxing on your lips, but I don't know. I definitely would wear it daily. Like it's a color that you could wear every day. That's what I'm trying to say. Ugh. I can't get my words out. Sorry, my camera is gonna be kind of moving around a lot. Just try to get used to it. Now time to take it off. I am taking coconut oil and then I'm just gonna use that on every one of them. If you've never used coconut oil to take off your like matte lipsticks, definitely would recommend. Like it comes off really, really nicely. Okay, I think the next color we should try is red velvet. Whoa, it is so red. Okay, now here is what you're going for. I mean, this looks a teeny bit darker maybe, but this looks so close to the packaging. Wow. Red lips are hard to find the one that looks really good on you and the one that like has good consistency and stays on. Whoa. Whoa. This is just so red and amazing. Oh my gosh, Kylie. Okay, now let's put on the real deal stuff. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I am blown away by this. This is so incredibly red. So I have had a color that tries to be like this, but whenever I get a color that seems very vibrant and red, it always has like an orange tint to it. It's never totally red. It's always kind of like orangey and I hate it. Now this is red. This is, let's go to a Christmas party right now. I don't know why I always think of Christmas when I think of red lip, but that's when I like to wear my red lips. This is definitely a perfect red lip, I think, if you're going for a brighter one. Here it is, all bold and beautiful. Red velvet. Oh, red velvet, because it's a velvet lip stick. Okay. I am so excited to have a bold red lip in my collection. Definitely recommend this one. Whew. Maybe I should have put that on last. That was kind of hard to get off. Oh, my lips are gonna be so mad at me after this. Next one I'm going to do is Charm. This is the kind of nude pink color. Hopefully it's not too light. Actually, maybe perfect. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, you can't even see that really. It looks like it may be a little lighter than my lips actually. Okay, it's almost the same color as my lips, but I think it is just a tad bit lighter. Let's try on the actual stuff. Okay, that's cute. I don't know how well you can tell, but it is just maybe a shade lighter than my lips. It's a little more pink. So ta-da, I think I like it. Again, it feels really good. I feel like I don't have much else to say about this. It's a pretty simple color. It's just a pink nude. I'm really starting to understand those videos that people try on multiple lipstick colors and then their lips are like raw because my lips are feeling awful. Like I said, I am going to be trying on the Kylie one last. So we have two more. Second to last one is Midnight Kiss, and this is the Metal liquid lipstick, which I don't think I've ever tried something like that before. It's very shiny. It looks like a gloss, so I don't know how it's gonna go on. Okay, now I'm starting to think I might have tried a Metal in my advent calendar series that I did last Christmas, but I don't remember. Anyways, this looks super cool. I think this will look good with my eyeshadow too. It looks like a pumpkin color, sparkly pumpkin color. this looks very, very similar to what I just tried on, like the liner does. So that's weird. I mean, maybe it is a little bit more orange, but they're very similar. All right, kind of got that on there, kind of. I'm getting lazier as this video goes on. Whoa. Still smells good. I just didn't know since it was like a different kind. Whoa, damn. It's definitely hard to get like an even layer. Kind of keeps wanting to move around. This is like a lot different than anything I would wear on a day-to-day basis, but it looks pretty cool. My only thing, like I said, it's kind of hard to get like an even coating on it. I don't know if you can even tell. I feel like the top is a little less even. Is this helping at all? Can you tell at all? Let me try and put more on. Maybe that's a little better. So I think that's the only real big downside to it. But otherwise, this is a cool color. And it's definitely what I was hoping because I wanted it to look kind of Halloween-y. Okay, last liquid lipstick. Kylie. From the birthday collection. It's super cool. The inside of this package has like money printed in it, and these look different. So this one has like money on it, and this one's light pink. Is that green? That is green. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the one I was like really looking forward to, so hopefully it turns out cute. I've been seeing it for a while and have been really wanting this, and I don't mean the velvet one. I've just seen the shade Kylie and I've been wanting it so bad. So far the lip liner is a bit darker, which I usually like it to be darker than my lip, like a tiny bit rather than lighter. It's got a little bit of a brown tint to it. I like that, but I think this will come on a little more pink. Oh, that's so weird. It's so different than the lip liner. I do like this. Did it live up to my expectations? No, sadly. I just wanted it to be a little more nude. It is a little more pink than I was expecting. I actually like the liner more than I like this color, but with all that being said, I still really like how it looks. And I do like this color. It's just not what I was expecting, which is fine. That doesn't always mean it's bad. That is all 5 lip kits and a blush. Overall, I knew I was gonna like the consistency of them because I have tried the lip kits before. This was more to see how the color was, and the blush, which, like I said, I already gave you my thoughts on that. Out of the 5 lip kits that I got, I think my least favorite is probably this orange one, but I still like it. It's just, like I said, not like an everyday wear thing, and I knew that when I got it. But yeah, I still think it would probably be my least favorite. And honestly, my favorite one is the red lip. This is just so beautiful, and I have never had a red that is so pretty. So I'm really excited. And I like all the other colors, but that is probably my least and most favorite. If you really want to order some lip kits, I would definitely wait until you get some kind of sale because it is worth it to wait for a sale. I just think they are so expensive that without a sale, it's just kind of like, what am I doing? It does come with a lip product and a lip liner. So I guess that does make it a little better, the price, definitely, but I'd still recommend waiting for a sale. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Even though my lips are in pain, I really liked putting all these on and trying out a bunch of new colors. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it. Follow my social media accounts. They are at the beginning of this video in the description box below, where everything is at It's Kendra Sue. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.